Alright guys, welcome back to the channel and to the garden. Today's video, we are just going to take a look at a chamerops volcano palm that I have picked up, and we're going to see about getting it in the ground, go over the plant and take a look at what kind of root system it's got. We've also got another plant that's gone in as well, which I'd like to show you today. But with that said, let's just take a look at the new chamerops. Alright guys, so I just wanted to show you this new palm here. As mentioned, this is your chamerops volcano. So this is your kind of much more compact variety. Did end up picking this up in the end. Very good bargain on these. With this one here, guys, I'm going to show you what the roots look like as well on this. But kind of a slow growing variety. Again, with this one, it should be hardy down to about anywhere between -8 and -10 for short periods of time. So with that said, it should kind of line up with the other chamerops we have in the Boutia. So if we do get any extreme colds, I will cover this, but with it being such a small plant and probably won't grow that tall in the end, only up to about 2 meters, it should be easy to kind of provide winter protection on that here. Just wanted to show you though, guys, which is quite interesting to see. I think it must be a fairly old plant. It does look like, if you look in here, let me see if I can get in to show you. Just in there, you can just see that yellow bit here. That looks to be like a flower cone coming out. Now typically, guys, at least 10 years or so before these are going to flower. So it'd be interesting to know how old this plant actually is. I've got it here, guys, in my putting it in the Mediterranean, well, what is sort of panning up to be the Mediterranean area. So again, just kind of hoping this fits in. I feel like it will fit in this area. Again, you're going to have your Musa Bastu at the back there growing up, so that'd be a nice kind of tall green as well. So yeah, I'm fairly happy with this area. I may see if I can find another one of these for another bed that I'm planting up as well. But let me just show you guys what the root system looks like on these palms. Alright guys, so you can just see here, it does look like we have a very good root system. This is looking pot bound at the moment, so I'm guessing this would have been in this pot for some time now. But always pleased to see a good root system, on a palm when you get it. Last thing you want is to be getting those ones that have just been freshly potted or things like that, and you really get sort of hardly any roots in it. So this should have a really good head start going in. What I'm going to do is get it into the hole here, prepared it with a little more extra drainage. These do like very good drainage on that side, similar to most palms. Just going to get that in, and we'll take a look and see what that looks like. Alright guys, so you can just see we have got that in now. Again, I've kind of lifted it up a fair amount. I'm going to be backfilling this whole bed with sort of gravel anyway. So really just giving it a little bit of extra drainage on that side. Another one I just want to show you quickly, guys, is this yucca puck. Another sort of great offer on these at B&M. Picked one of these up here. Again, I just really wanted something sort of structural for this corner before you go down the jungle path. Going to be underplanting this as well. Again, if you got any ideas on that one, what to put there, guys, underneath this. Now, the pucks, guys, these are really only hardy down to about -2 degrees C. So it's going to be similar protection to our yucca jewel just back there, which did make it through our -6 this past winter. So again, with this one, guys, it's a bit of a punt. I'm not sure if it is going to make it, but it was on a great offer, so I did go up on that from B&M. And certainly get these if you got the space and you have somewhere to protect it over winter. Really nice architectural plant as well on that side here. Just wanted to show you those two for today, guys. Again, if you are not subscribed, certainly feel free to do so. Follow along the channel, as well as check out the friends of the channel in the comments below. Certainly leave us a comment, guys, which one you prefer more, the volcano or the yucca puck. But with that said, guys, got a few more things going on, updates coming soon, so stay tuned to the channel. And with that said, thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.